It's Farmer Friday. We're in the heart of harvest season, and that means drivers are sharing the road with more big farm machinery. Today we're talking with Logan and Emily Lyon, who farm in Muscatine, on advice on how to keep safe on the road. Thank you both so much for being here. I know this is a really busy time.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Well, tell us about the farm equipment that we'll see on the road. How fast can that go, and how many miles are you all driving on it?
Yeah, so this time of the year, it's really variable. There's farmers that are wrapping up with harvest, and there's farmers that are really getting really busy with harvest. And a lot of the equipment can range anywhere from going 15 miles per hour up to some of the newer tractors can go up to 35 miles per hour. And sometimes it's kind of confusing. It's kind of like what we say with when you see a train coming, even though they're really big, it looks like they're going slow, but we're actually moving pretty fast, and we're doing our best to stay out of your way.
So what's your advice for drivers when they come across this farm equipment?
Yeah, really, we're just trying to get to our destination, our field, or back home as quick and as efficiently as we can. And if it looks like we're doing something kind of weird, there's a good chance we are. So my best advice is to not get too carried away. Let us get out of your way the best that we can. And trust us, we're meant to be in the field, working back and forth in the field, and the less we're on the road, the happier we are too. So.
Well, I think this time of year in general, we should all just be patient and drive. I mean, any time of the year, right? Slow down and be careful.
Absolutely.
Well, you have two beautiful children. I think we have a family photo of all of you. Emily, what do you want people to know out there sharing the road with farm equipment this time of year?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, it's my husband out there in a tractor, but it's also my family. There's plenty of women and farm wives out there helping in the fields too. So just remember that it's somebody else's family out there in those vehicles. Take your time, just be courteous on the road. Like Logan said, we're just trying to make our livelihood work, and we're trying to get back in the field as quickly as possible, or just get home and eat dinner with our families. So just be safe and be careful.
Yeah, and grow food for all of us, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely.
What kind of operation do you all have in Eastern Iowa?
Yeah, so we're really blessed. We actually live on Emily's family farm, where her dad and her uncle do quite a bit of row crop, corn, soybeans, cattle, and hogs. We have a small operation that runs alongside of those where we do our own row crop and cattle as well.
Is this really busy for you? Are you guys still harvesting? Are you about to wrap up?
Yeah, we're about 85% complete with harvest, and with the rain the past few days, it's really slowed things down here. But we're near our finish line. But I know there's a lot of folks in the neighborhood that still have quite a ways to go yet.
Yeah, will you even get out in the field today or this weekend?
It's looking like it could be a long weekend of sitting around and waiting. We got about 2 inches of rain the night before last, so things, which is okay. We at this time of the season, folks get kind of antsy and they're really pushing for the finish line. So when Mother Nature tells us to take a break, it's always good to take a break.
All right. Well, Logan and Emily, thank you so much for sharing this great advice with us on this Friday.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
If you'd like to become a member of the Iowa Corn Growers Association, you can call the number on your screen. That's 515-225-9242. For more information, go to the website, iowacorn.org. You can also follow them on Facebook and Instagram.